So students, now let's start activity 5.1. So our objective for this activity is to obtain a quadratic function with the help of linear functions graphically. Take two wires of equal length. Step 2. Fix the wires at O in a plane such that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Representing x-axis and y-axis. So the two wires are mutually perpendicular to each other at point O and they represent x-axis and y-axis. Now step 3. Take a piece of wire and fix it in such a way that it meets the x-axis and fix it in such a way that it meets the x-axis at a distance of a units from point O, and meets y-axis at a distance of a units below O, and mark these points as B and A respectively. Now step 4. Similarly, take another wire and fix it in such a way that it meets x-axis at a distance of B units from point O and meets y-axis at a distance of B units below O. and mark these points as D and C respectively. Mark this point as D and this point as C. So this coordinate becomes B0 and this is A0, as it is at a distance of A and D is at a distance of B. Take one more wire and fix it in such a way that it passes through the points where straight wire meets x-axis. And the wire takes the shape of a curve, or you can say a parabola. So let's construct that curve. So in this way, we have drawn a curve that passes through both the points, point B and point D, and takes the shape of a parabola. So students, now let's see the demonstration for the given activity. The wire through the point A and B represents the straight line given by y equals to x minus a. So we can write this line as y equals to x minus a, which intersect x-axis at A0 and y-axis at 0 minus a. Second, the wire through the points C and D represents a straight line. Given by, the straight line is given by y equals to x minus b, that is y equals to x minus b. The wire through the points C and D represents a straight line. Given by y equals to x minus b, that is y equals to x minus b, intersecting x-axis and y-axis at x-axis at b0 and y-axis at 0 minus b respectively. So students, the wire through the points C and D represents a straight line which is given by y equals to x minus b, which intersects x-axis at b0 and y-axis at 0 minus b. So now the wire through the point B and D represents a curve which is given by y equals to k x minus a x minus b, that is y equals to k x minus a x minus b, so which is equal to k x square minus a plus b x plus ab, where k is an arbitrary constant. And here a, b is greater than 0. So students, now let's see the observation for the given activity. First, the line given by the linear function y equals to x minus a intersects the line given by the linear function y equals to x minus a intersects x-axis at point B, whose coordinates are a 0. The line given by the linear function y equals to x minus b intersects x-axis at point D, whose coordinates are b0. The curve passing through the points B and D is given by y equals to k x minus a into x minus b, where a and b is greater than 0. Hence, we conclude that linear inequalities are those linear functions whose both sides are not equal to each other. Hence, we conclude that linear inequalities are those linear functions whose both sides are not equal to each other.